Get ready. Statement of the investigation officer clearly established that accused, namely Nawaz Sharif, is intentionally avoiding, absconding, and concealing himself from the process of law, the court order stated, adding, hence this case is hereby separate and he is declared as a proclaimed offender. The court also directed the investigation officer to submit report regarding the list of movable and immovable properties of the ex-PM within 10 days, while dismissing his application seeking exemption from personal appearance. The case was fixed for framing of charges. Who were present in the courtroom while suspect attended the proceeding through Skype in Karachi. The charge sheet accused the then PM issuing directions to the Cabinet Division Secretary to forward a summary for relaxation of prescribed procedure in favor of accused for disposing of the luxury vehicles. The court charge sheeted for receiving funds amounting to Rs 57 million without any lawful consideration, which was laundered by making payments of cost and duties of the gift vehicles. As per charge sheet, accused also contributed in the crime through some bank transactions. When the judge read out the charges against the accused persons, they pleaded not guilty. The judge then adjourned further proceedings till September 24 and summoned prosecution witnesses for the said date. The counsel for Mr. Sharif submitted his fresh medical report along with an application to explain the reason for the delay in his return from the United Kingdom. The Lahore High Court had earlier directed Mr. Sharif to surrender or face consequences while hearing the appeals against his conviction. According to the fresh medical report, he has been advised not to travel and continue routine work. His treatment in London has been delayed due to the coronavirus. Resultantly, he has not been able to regain his health, and all the doctors who have been treating him in the past, as well as those who have been treating him since his arrival in London in November 2019, have strongly advised him not to travel to Pakistan without getting his treatment done in London, otherwise his life would be at serious risk. Stop.